Are you tired of blind spots, parking stress, or having zero proof when someone hits your car? You need a 360 degrees camera for your car, and today we're breaking down the 10 best options on the market right now. We're talking resolution, night vision, parking mode, storage, and overall value. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is worth your money. Let's get into it. Number 1. IIWEY N6 360 degree dash cam. The IIWEY N6 360 degree dash cam kicks off our list as a rock-solid 4-channel system that covers every angle of your vehicle. It records in 1080 pixels, features night vision for low-light clarity, and includes a G-sensor that automatically saves footage during sudden impacts. It's easy to install and dependable for daily use. If you want full vehicle coverage without overcomplicating things, the IIWEY is a great starting point. Next up, the IIWEY N5 360 degree dash cam, and what sets this one apart is its smart app integration. You get full app control right from your phone, making it super convenient to review footage on the go without pulling out an SD card. It's also a 4-channel setup recording in 1080 pixels with a built-in G sensor and seamless loop recording. The wireless control feature makes this one feel modern and user-friendly, especially for tech-savvy drivers. If smart connectivity matters to you, the IIWEY is the one to grab. Coming in at number 3, the ZMOPO 360 degree dash cam brings something most cameras skip: a supercapacitor instead of a traditional battery. That means it handles extreme heat way better, making it ideal if you live somewhere hot or park in direct sunlight regularly. It's a 3-channel system with 1080 pixels recording, solid night vision, and a parking mode that stays active when the car's off. Plus, it comes with a memory card included, so you're ready to record right out of the box. For heat durability and convenience, the ZMOPO is a smart, dependable choice. Number 4. Neideso 360 degree dash cam. The Neideso 360 degree dash cam is the one for budget-conscious buyers who don't want to sacrifice too much. It's a 3-channel 1080 pixel system with a wide-angle lens, loop recording, and a G sensor for automatic incident saving. You don't get all the premium bells and whistles, but it covers the essentials really well at a price that won't hurt your wallet. If you're new to dash cams or just want a no-fuss, budget-friendly option, the Neideso delivers solid value. Halfway through our list, let's talk about the Zunfly 360 degree dash cam. And if simplicity is your thing, this one was made for you. It's a clean 3-channel 1080 pixels camera with parking mode, loop recording, and a G sensor. Nothing overcomplicated, just reliable coverage. It supports micro SD cards and keeps things no-nonsense from start to finish. For drivers who just want something that works every single time, the Zunfly is a simple, reliable setup worth considering. Number 6. REDTIGER 360 degree view dash cam. Now we're stepping it up. The REDTIGER 360 degree view dash cam brings 2.5K resolution on the front camera, which is a noticeable upgrade over standard 1080 pixels. Combine that with night vision, GPS tracking, and an adjustable lens, and you've got a seriously capable system. It's a 4-channel setup that also comes with a memory card included, so installation is quick and painless. The GPS feature is especially useful for logging routes and speeds, which can be critical if you ever need to dispute an accident. For drivers who want higher resolution and GPS, the REDTIGER is a standout pick on this list. Number 7. PRUVEEO 360 degree 4-channel dash cam. The PRUVEEO 360 degree 4-channel dash cam is all about full cabin awareness. Front, rear, and both sides covered in 1080 pixels. It's built for rideshare drivers, parents with kids in the back, or anyone who wants a complete picture of what's happening inside and outside the car. Loop recording and a G sensor come standard, and it supports micro SD so you can scale your storage as needed. The installation can take a bit of time given the 4 cameras, but the full coverage payoff is well worth it. For interior and exterior recording together, the PRUVEEO offers excellent full cabin coverage. Number 8. VANTRUE N5S 360-degree view dash cam. If you're looking for the best of the best, the VANTRUE N5S 360-degree view dash cam is our top premium pick, and it's not even close. The front camera records in stunning 2.7K resolution, powered by a Sony StarVis sensor that delivers exceptional low light and night performance. It's a 4-channel system with parking mode and advanced night vision across all lenses. Yes, it costs more, but the image quality, reliability, and sensor technology justify every dollar. If you want premium performance and the absolute clearest footage possible, the VANTRUE N5S is the one. Coming in near the end, the WeCool 360-degree dash cam earns its spot thanks to an impressive wide-angle lens that captures more of the road than most 3-channel systems. It records in 1080 pixels with parking mode and smooth loop recording built right in. It's lightweight, easy to mount, and supports micro SD cards without any hassle. The wide-angle advantage is especially useful in tight parking lots or busy intersections where peripheral visibility matters most. For broad coverage at a fair price, the WeCool is a solid wide-angle option. Closing out our list is the LAMTO 360 view dash cam, which stands out for its dedicated emergency recording feature. When the G sensor detects a collision or sudden stop, it locks that footage immediately so it can't be overwritten by loop recording. It's a 3-channel 1080 pixel system with parking mode and comes with a memory card included, so you're good to go right away. For easy emergency recording and plug-and-play convenience, the LAMTO wraps up this list perfectly. So there you have it, our top 10 360-degree cameras for your car in 2026. If we had to pick 2 standouts, the VANTRUE N5S takes the crown for premium performance, and the REDTIGER is the best bang for your buck with GPS and 2.5K video. Check the links in the description to grab yours. And if this helps you out, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a review.